The last day of our cross-country road trip we spent in downtown Seattle exploring Pike Place, Farmers Market, to the waterfront, and even Amazon stores. But let's move forward to today. Before I can think about anything else, I needed to stop to get some coffee, and we came across this cute little coffee stand on our way to our destination. So we decided for today's adventure to hike the Heybrook Lookout. The Heybrook Lookout Trail is 2.6 miles out and back and about 900 feet in elevation gain, so it was pretty steep heading up. This trail was so peaceful as you wander through the mossy and fern-covered forest. Whenever we did take a little breather, it was crazy to me just how quiet and serene this place was. The Heybrook Lookout sits atop its ridge at 1,700 feet, and the lookout itself rises about 67 feet above the ridge line. And thankfully, you are greatly rewarded with the beautiful, stunning panoramic view at the top of the fire tower. And if you are interested in heading out on this trail yourself, it is about an hour outside of Seattle, and it's right off of Highway 2 in the Mount Baker, Snoqualmie National Forest. And just when we thought the day couldn't get any better, on our drive back we saw 2 air balloons in the sky. And then we ended our day by rewarding ourselves with a delicious and full meal at Stack 571. Thank you guys for joining me on our day today, and stay tuned for our next video in Washington at Mount Rainier National Park.